Qualitative data collection methods. Qualitative studies are associated with a significant degree of the researcher's involvement, which, in turn, increases the risk of bias. However, the qualitative approach is the most appropriate strategy in some cases. For instance, the meaning is vital when people's behaviors, attitudes, and decisions are in the researcher's lens. The most common qualitative data collection methods are interviews, observations, focus group discussions, and action research. One of these data collection methods is the most effective in identifying some factors affecting decision makers, as seen by them when choosing optimization tactics. Action research presupposes considerable interaction between the researcher and participants, who do not simply share their ideas on particular topics but collaborate with the researcher to solve some problems. This research aims to explore the way decision makers choose optimization tactics, which makes any collaboration with the researcher unnecessary and even harmful. Observation is quite similar to the method mentioned above, as the researcher is not involved in the process. This method is time-consuming, and it does not address the goal of this study, which is to explore the participants' attitudes and experiences. Observation will not allow the researcher to elicit meanings the participants develop when making this or that decision. Focus group discussions enable the researcher to explore participants' ideas, concerns, fears, attitudes, and so on. This effective method allows the researcher to collect data for quite a limited time, as usually only a few sessions are necessary, and quite a significant number of participants can participate in the study. One of the limitations of this method is that some participants can be passive, some may withhold their true ideas and experiences, and so on. It can also be difficult to arrange the schedules of the sessions, as participants may have little time to invest and have very different schedules, especially when it comes to top managers. As for interviews, they are the most appropriate data collection method for this research. The interview enables the researcher to collect in-depth data on participants' ideas, attitudes, experiences, etc. This method also requires significant time to adjust schedules, but it is less difficult than arranging focus group discussions, run interviews, and analyze data. The development of schedules can be the most challenging process in terms of research management, as top managers often have little spare time. Nonetheless, this strategy can help the researcher address the research goals and elicit participants' ideas on the matter. The researcher will use the data to explore factors top managers take into account when choosing optimization strategies. As to the data analysis, coding can be seen as an effective tool. Certain software can facilitate the data analysis process and increase the research validity. Using the software will reduce the researcher's involvement, increasing the study's validity.